Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and we get to start today with a little true or false. All right, so if you have a whiteboard, grab your whiteboard. If you have a marker, grab your marker. Or you could just do whatever your teacher says. All right, true or false? Here we go. This card is just a little more than an inch. All right, what do you guys think? Is it true or false? You can write T for true on your whiteboard or F for false. All right, what'd you guys say? True or false? Did you say true? Let's see. Here is my 1 inch line right here. And the card starts the measurement right at the 0 line. That's very important because this is like nothingness over here, right? 0. And then it goes just a little more than the 1 inch line. So we could say that it's true. This card is just a little more than an inch. All right, so I'm going to write true. Next one, true or false? This pencil is 4 inches long. Let's check it out. All right, write on your whiteboard, is that true or false? Okay, on the count of 3, everybody show your teacher. Ready? 1, 2, 3, show me. I think I got some of you. Did you say true? This is actually not true. It is false because I probably tricked you. I put it so that it ends right there on the 4 inch line, but where did the tip of the pencil start? Did it start at that 0 line? No, it didn't. So I probably got some of you. And some of you probably realized, no, it's false. It's not 4 inches long. So I would have to move this pencil. Let's see, I would have to move it so that the tip of it, see how I now have the tip right there at the 0 mark where there's a whole bunch of nothing. And then it would stop right there. So it looks like it's halfway between the 3 and the 4. So this pencil is actually about 3.5 inches long. All right, so that one is false. Next one. Okay, we've got true or false. This monster is 1/2 of an inch. 1/2, so it's gonna be less than an inch. Okay, let's see. All right, crazy looking monster. Let's see, we've got the 1 inch line right here. We've got the 0 right here. It's a whole bunch of nothing. And let's see, is it halfway between 0 and 1? Let's see, it looks like it is. It's lining up right there. So that looks like that would be exactly the halfway point. So I would say this one is true. That's about halfway between 0 and 1. So true for that one. All right, let's check out. I think we have a little bonus question. Yeah, bonus. How many inches tall is the monster? All right, check it out. Here it comes. How many inches tall is the monster? Write it on your whiteboard. What do you see? Don't forget to write the word inches, because if you just write the number, we won't know if it's inches or centimeters or feet or miles. So you always have to write the unit. That's called the unit. All right, so did you write 3 inches? Let's see. We've got the 3 right here. And we've got the 0 line where he starts, right? So he is 3 inches tall. All right, so I've got a picture here for you. Guess what our word problem will be about today. We've got cactus. We've got some potting plants and a ruler and some cactus that have grown. All right, so what do you think? What will our story be about? Aha, we're gonna say hi to Miss Glassman's class at Grandview. Hi, everybody. I wish I could see all of your faces, but it sounds like we're gonna get to go back to school soon, so that's exciting. All right, so let's check out this story here. Miss Glassman's class planted a cactus in the Grandview garden. After 1 month, the students measured the cactus and found that it grew inches. If the cactus measures inches now, how tall was the cactus when Miss Glassman's class planted it? So when Miss Glassman's class planted the cactus, is it going to be shorter or taller than it is now? It's going to be shorter, huh? All right, let's check this out. Let's read it with some numbers. What do you say? Here are our number choices. We've got 10 and 25, 15 and 30, 18 and 40, 33 and 158. Remember, you have to pick the one that feels just right to you. Okay, so I think I'm going to pick this one here. And I'm going to plug in my numbers. So I'm going to put my 10 here and my 25 here. Now, I know some of you guys put in those numbers and then you just decide to, I'm going to add them together, I'm going to subtract them. But that's not what we do next. We have to make sure we have the picture in our minds. We have to make sure we read it again with the story. Okay, so here we go. You can read it to yourself, you can hit pause, or I'm going to read it again. You can listen. Miss Glassman's class planted a cactus in the Grandview garden. After 1 month, the students measured the cactus and found that it grew 10 inches. If the cactus measures 25 inches now, how tall was the cactus when Miss Glassman's class planted it? Okay, so we know that the cactus is now 25 inches tall, but it grew 10 inches since they planted it. So how tall was it when Miss Glassman's class planted it? All right, kids, it's up to you. You got to do the work now. Pick your just right number set, and I'll see you next time. Bye, kids.